ask if I'm okay.
Yeah, I can't go away. All these thoughts in my heart won't let me sleep. I think about you and the times we keep all tangled up in our minds when we lay in the sheets. I know it's fucked up, but without you I feel so stuck. When you're deep in my mind with that old love, and I just think of all the times that I showed up. You always let me pull you in. I think it's cause we tried to make it work as friends. That never works in the end. It always leads to someone getting hurt again. So I keep coming back. I know it breaks your heart and I don't want that, but when I close my eyes, no I don't see black. All I see is your face and I want it back.
Why'd you go and tear me apart? If you're gonna come back when you are lonely. It's messed up how you give me these scars. Then you're gonna go ask if I'm okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay.
Are you okay? Please stop asking if I'm okay. I'm not alright, no way. I'll just save that shit for another day. I ain't playing, girl, and the shit all around needs some changing. World is all up in flames to the pavement, girl. It got me so sick, I'm about to hurl. All I can change is me, so I try to do it so gracefully. But reminders all around hit blatantly, so I sit in my room, wait patiently. I don't need this drama, just hand me the vodka. I'll do what I wanna, I'll do what I gotta, cause I just can't handle these thoughts any longer.
Why'd you go and tear me apart? If you're gonna come back when you are lonely. It's messed up how you give me these scars. Then you're gonna go ask if I'm okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I